What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a pretty exciting video. I'll show you what we're gonna do. In my trusty shed, I have a new exhaust. And for the people who guessed it right, I got a single exit for this car. I've had a single exit on the BRZ, and I knew I needed to have another single exit on the WRX. Let me put this over there and tell you exactly what I got. Alright, so here it is. I went with the Invidia N1 single exit. This is the race version, so it doesn't have the resonator in that midsection. But yeah, comes with the gaskets, obviously. Bolts. You rip this open. Ooh. There it is, and it's a titanium tipped exhaust. Get the little front action going on. And truthfully, I kind of don't like this, but seeing it up close right now, kind of don't mind it. And I think it's going to look pretty good against the World Rally Blue. And I got another box. In this box, I got some Chemical Guys butter wet wax. But more importantly, this is the Grimspeed OEM downpiped to 3-inch catback adapter. This is going to eliminate all of the exhaust leaks. Comes with an extra thick gasket, which I really like, with all new hardware. Where's this? This is the 3-inch side. Okay. And Grimspeed sticker. So yeah, I had to get this because obviously I'm still on a stock downpipe. So if you've been watching my channel, you know that I installed the SubiSpeed muffler delete just recently. And why did I get this so soon is because this specifically is 3-inch piping. Right back there, the OEM mid pipe and the muffler delete is only 2.5-inch piping. So this is really gonna go ahead and open up the exhaust flow, but I won't see the real power gains until I do a downpipe, which they call on this car the J pipe. So this is more of a mod that I'll see benefit to in the long run, which is, you know, what I want for the future. But I think it's gonna make the car sound a lot different. As far as how loud it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be on par, maybe even slightly quieter than the muffler delete. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and install this. I'm really excited for this. And I don't know if this is just me, but I believe the single exits don't look as good as the quad tip does. But I think the single exits sound better on this car than any quad tip exhaust that's available, except for the ETS, but I'm not willing to spend $1,200 on a damn catback. So that's why I got this. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take off the OEM mid pipe and the muffler delete. And as always, I'm gonna spray down the hangers to make the job a lot easier. So let me take the stock crap off, and then we'll go ahead to installing the new single exit. Alright, so as soon as I start this, obviously it starts raining, so I'm gonna hide the camera under the car while I finish this. But yeah, I got the right muffler off already. Muffler delete, I should say. But I wanted to show you something kind of funny. Look at that. I guess a newspaper or something got onto my exhaust and kind of cemented itself on there, or burnt. So I was smelling something really weird whenever I drove the car, and I guess this was the culprit. That's kind of funny. But yeah, let me finish the rest of this and then we'll throw on the single exit. Alright, so quick update. The stock mid pipe and the muffler deletes are off, and this is the rear muffler section that I already put on. This so far literally speaking, has taken me 10 minutes, not even, to take off the stock exhaust and to put this new muffler on. Alright, so now all I gotta do is put in that new mid pipe and bolt everything down. So this is the new Grimspeed OEM downpipe to 3-inch catback adapter. So this is the super thick Grimspeed 3-inch catback gasket, and then this is the adapter itself. And you see how it's beveled right here? This will actually fit onto the OEM donut gasket, and then that's where the rest of this will bolt onto the new catback. And they supply you with new hardware, the nuts, washers, everything. So that's it. All that's left to go in is that mid pipe, and we're done. Alright, this thing is all tightened up. We got the gasket adapter, Grimspeed gasket, the new mid pipe, going all the way down. Oh, such a tight space. Right here, tighten those bolts up, and to the new muffler. Now let's take a look at the initial fitment. Wow. That is spot on fitment right off the bat. Has a perfect amount of poke. But more importantly, let's start this thing up and see how she sounds. Yep, so exactly what I was expecting. It's a little quieter than the stock exhaust with the muffler delete right off the bat, but sounds a little bassier. That's probably due to the 3-inch piping that it is now. Again, the exhaust still needs to break in, and it's going to sound a lot louder, hopefully. So I was going through my bag, and I actually forgot I had this Sparko tilt strap. I put this on the BRZ for a couple weeks because I had a single exit on that one too, but it just didn't look right because the BRZ is so much smaller, and I think it hung down a little too far for my liking. But on the WRX, it actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna bolt this up and then try it out for a couple weeks, see how I like it. Not a bad touch at all. And I got this idea obviously from Dustin Williams. I'll try to get the link to that video down below if you want to check out that. But yeah, goes ahead and at least put something in that empty exhaust hole.